Now to a renewed push for equal rights. Representative Karen Kwan introduced a resolution to ratify the Equal Rights Amendment to the Constitution of the United States. But how would that actually change our society? There's a lot of debate on that point. ABC4's Brittany Johnson is in studio to explain. Brittany?
Well, Rick, Utah's state constitution does guarantee equal rights for both male and females. The U.S. Constitution reads equality shall not be denied on account of sex. ERA supporters say the word sex doesn't guarantee men and women equal rights. If Utah ratifies the federal amendment, we would be the 38th state, the majority needed for it to go into effect. If Utah ratifies the Equal Rights Amendment, what would change? We went to Paul Cassell, professor of law at the University of Utah, for insight.
You have an interesting question. Do we really need an Equal Rights Amendment here in Utah when we have the state constitutional provision already extending equal rights to women?
For a state who has been at the forefront for human rights, but the worst in the country when it comes to women's equality, Cassell says the ERA is a step towards changing the culture.
I think everyone acknowledges that even if the Equal Rights Amendment passes, there's still a lot of work to be done to make sure that women have the same kinds of opportunities that men have always enjoyed. Right now, the United States Supreme Court has gone maybe 99% of the way there towards achieving equal status in the law for men and women, and the proponents say it's time to eliminate that last 1%.
Opponents say the ERA would overturn legal considerations for women and not allow for things like separate bathrooms or prisons.
I don't think that the Equal Rights Amendment would radically change society. A lot of what the proponents of the Equal Rights Amendment wanted to achieve has already been achieved through United States Supreme Court decisions. And there are people in Utah and indeed all over the country who are somewhat skeptical about transferring decisions to federal decision makers, including federal judges. And so the Equal Rights Amendment clearly would give power to federal judges to make decisions about sex-related issues, and that's one of the concerns.
The last time the U.S. Constitution was amended for the Congressional Compensation Act of 1789, which was approved some 200 years later. Rick?